guys, Sanjit here. Today we are going to see about nutrition in plants class 7. What is nutrition? In simple words, we can say the process by which living organisms obtain nutrition for their growth and development is called nutrition. The two types of nutrition are autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. Most of the plants are in green color, right? Do you know why? Because they have chlorophyll. Because of chlorophyll, plants go through a process of photosynthesis. Plants take simple ingredients such as sunlight, CO2, and H2O. The examples of autotrophs are plants. This picture shows an example of an autotroph. Heterotrophic nutrition. We move on to heterotrophs. In heterotrophic nutrition, the living organism depends on the other living organism for their survival. Examples of heterotrophs are humans, animals, microorganisms, etc. This picture shows the examples of heterotrophic nutrition. Photosynthesis, the process by which green plants make their own food. They take the help of sunlight, CO2 and H2O to prepare food. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. This picture shows the process of photosynthesis. What is xylem? The vascular tissue in plants which conducts water and dissolved nutrients upward from the root and also helps the form of woody element in the stem. Water and minerals. The root system in the plant helps in absorption of the water minerals from the soil. These are carried to other parts of the plant through tubular structure called xylem. Water is very important resource for a plant. Plants use water during photosynthesis. Phloem is a living tissue in vascular plants that transport the soluble organic compounds made during photosynthesis and known as photosynthates. In particular, the sugar sucrose to parts of the plant where needed. This transport process is called transcolation. This picture shows xylem and phloem. Light. Chlorophyll, the green pigment present in the leaves, helps in absorption of sunlight. Cells of the leaves have special chlorophyll containing structures called chloroplasts. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight and converts into chemical energy, which is then used to prepare food. This picture represents chloroplasts. Stomata. They are the tiny openings in the plant which allow for exchange of gas. We cannot see stomata in bad eyes. The picture shows the diagram of the stomata. This is the flow chart of photosynthesis. This is the equation of photosynthesis. This is the structure of the plant. Heterotrophic nutrition in plants. Not all kinds of plants are autotrophs because all plants do not contain chlorophyll. Parasitic plants. Parasitic plants obtain nutrition completely or partially from the plant. The plant from which the parasite obtains nutrition is called host. The parasitic plant shows the growth of the host plant, which is really harmful for them. Example: Rafflesia patma, Viscum album, yellow rattle. This picture represents the picture of parasitic plants. Insectivorous plants, a plant that captures and digests insects either passively as the common pitcher plant or the sundew or by movement of any certain organism. This picture represents the picture of insectivorous plant. Symbiotic plant. Symbiotic plants or the process of symbiosis is when two plants live closely together in harmony of any kind. The word symbiosis comes from the Greek word for with and living. They describe a relationship between the two species or organisms that can often be beneficial for both parties. This picture shows the picture of symbiotic plants. This is the difference between parasitic and symbiotic plants. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.